Hello, today I am making cranberry jam. This all came about because I had too many cranberries and I didn't want to throw them away. So I was like, why not make a jam? So in this pot, I have some brown sugar, a cinnamon stick, cloves, freshly squeezed orange juice, some ginger, cranberries are tart. So for some, they will need a lot of sugar. I don't because I like tart stuff. Some of the cranberries will not pop. So if you like it really chunky, you just leave them. I like it a little smoother. So I'm mashing the unpopped cranberries. The jam will get thicker as it cools down. So don't add too much water to start with. You can always add water when you want to, but too much water will mean that you have to cook for a long time. Let it cool down and you bottle it up. And that's about it. Until next time, bon appetit!